The crew measures the area for the bocce ball court. They bring in 2x10 sideboards, set a string line, and excavate before framing. Behind them, the rest of the guys set forms for the bocce ball court.
We have the frame set in, okay? We got the length and the width. We put in our posts, okay? So now we're gonna put our topper on it, just like that. Sweet, all the way down the line. You can do them like we'll do it every foot or so.
Steve and Brent bring in gravel to cover the compacted soil on the court surface.
So bocce court is a 3-layer court. First course is your drainage course. So we're gonna spread this out. Drainage is key to a bocce court.
The crew gives the bocce court a middle layer of compacted DG. Then they're ready for the final surface.
What we're gonna do here is we're gonna take our oyster shell flour. So now it's mixed up oyster shell. We're gonna apply that over the top surface. That's gonna give us that slow surface. So when you roll the ball, you know, you're able to control it and get it exactly where you need.
Boom, bocce ball court right in your backyard.
It's truly an extension of our house.
Here we go. You ready? Oh!